Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling midpoint snaps, so Autocad finds centers reliably. Open OSnap or press F3, then open the OSnap dialog and check midpoint. Once done, you can also use the midpoint override. Hold Shift and right-click to pick midpoint on demand. This ensures precision when drawing or snapping objects. Without it, you'll guess locations and lose accuracy. Now draw with confidence. Start a line, polyline, or circle command and move the cursor over a segment. You'll see the midpoint OSnap marker appear. This visual confirms the exact halfway point. Click to snap there, and Autocad will place the start or end precisely. If you need temporary midpoint snapping, use the Shift plus right-click midpoint override. This avoids changing OSnap defaults and keeps your workflow fast and controlled. To finish, apply midpoint snapping in complex drawings. Prioritize midpoint over node when overlaps cause wrong picks. You can reorder OSnap modes. For apparent intersections in 3D views, enable that option so midpoint-like snaps work visually. If Autocad fails to find a midpoint, zoom in or increase the OSnap aperture size in settings to help detection. One troubleshooting tip: toggle F3 off/on to refresh snaps. This often resolves stray snap behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.